Let's make a simple paper flower with craft Jenny. As the first step, we need to cut some circles from a colored paper. Here I have taken a sticky note. You can try this with any kind of color paper you like. We need 5 petals for one flower, so we have to cut 5 circles here. Okay, for the next step, we have to color a half of the circle from another color. This part will be the middle part of the flower, so select colors as you prefer. Alright, now we can fold the circles we cut to make the petals. Follow the steps I am doing here in order to make the petal. That's it, our petal is ready. Now we have to glue the edges like this and repeat the same steps to make 5 petals. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications in future. After making 5 petals, we can glue the petals together to make the flower. With that step, our flower is ready. So we hope you enjoyed our video today. Give a like, comment your ideas, share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel as well.